In this tutorial, we'll guide you on obtaining Monopoly Go free dice through various methods. Firstly, within the Monopoly Go app, you can earn free dice by playing and rolling them regularly. Every hour, you'll receive free dice rolls as you progress in the game. Another way is to visit the in-game shop. Simply tap on the shop icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll through the options until you find the free gift section. Occasionally, you'll find free dice as part of these gifts. Alternatively, you can access appgamer.com through your browser. We'll provide the link in the description box below. On this website, you'll find articles with links to redeem free dice in Monopoly Go. These links are typically one-time use only. Once you click on the provided links, they'll automatically redirect you to the Monopoly Go app, where you can claim your free dice. Remember, each link can only be used once. By utilizing these methods, you can increase your dice count in Monopoly Go without spending any money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.